Good morning, students. I welcome back to SR online classes for BCOM students. In the last class, web technology subject. The last class discussing on this introduction parts and structure of HTML and some tag and attributes, properties of tags and attributes. Structure. What is structure? Okay, structure means every language. This is a scripting language. It's like some web technology. Web technology is having a one markup language there, that's called HTML. Hypertext markup language is having a structure. HTML and corresponding HTML rows is having head and head rows and body and body. HTML is having two parts are there. One is head section, is another one is body section. Now we are discussing on the tags. So many tags. Okay, tags working with text. Tags working with text, and it is. Tags working with text. Tags working. That first one is B tag. What do you mean by this one is already say our last class discussing tag means if you can write any between left angle and right angle, then you can write B. B is a bold tag. The tag is called bold. Bold tag. What is the importance of this tag? Okay, bold tag. This tag is mainly used for displaying of the text or information. It can be bold letters, thick letters. The purpose of using this tag, B tag. This tag means B tag. B tag means bold tag, mainly used for displaying on the content or text or information, big thick letters, bold letters, and its corresponding closing tag is B. Corresponding backslash B is either you can write capital B or small b because of HTML is a not case sensitive language. Clear all of you? That purpose of using. What is the importance of B? B means bold tag. B means a bold tag. This tag is mainly used for displaying of the content or displaying of the text. It can bold letters or thick letters, and it should be closed with a this tag B. Okay, that purpose of this board. Example of each and type we write example program. Where you can write first, if you can all of you can write this can be implementation of the systems because of this online session. Go to the everybody is having some personal systems are there. Go to the notepad where you can write the program. Notepad, just you can notepad open, just you can write in text and where you can open using internet text box. That means example. Okay, example program. Right, understood. This tag is this tag is useful for displaying the text. For displaying the text in bold letters. In bold letters, and it should be closed. And it should be closed with bold tag. This one. Every text written in the program every text written in the program can be displayed can be displayed in bold letters. In bold letters. Or a particular word or a in bold letters are or a particular word can be displayed it as a bold letters. Where you can use, for example, these programs can be implementation of B. B is a bold letters. The entire text, every text written in the program can be displayed in bold letters, or a particular word can be displayed as a bold letters. This is called bold. This tag is useful for displaying the text in bold letters, and it should be closed with a bold tag /B, and every text written in the program can be displayed in bold letters, or a particular word can be displayed as a bold letters. That is a bold tag. Example program. For example, HTML can be start HTML. As you wish, you can write either capital letters or small letters, and head, title, TATLE. Example program on bold tag. Tag close, head close. Next, body. Next, I have that one more tag, B tag. B. I will go. Welcome to HTML. B close. Next, body close. Next, HTML close. This is a simple example of the bold. The B can be used in a program. B means bold can be used in a program. The structure of HTML means HTML, head, title is option, example program on bold tag is a bold tag, title close, backslash, title close, head close. Next, body can be started. Body is having a one tag. That tag is called B. Welcome to HTML, and B close, and that means corresponding bold tag close. Next, body close. Next, HTML close. Body begin and body close. HTML begin and HTML close. This example. Where you can write this program? Just you can open Notepad. Just you can type this program as this. Type this program as this. Then you can give the file name is as you wish. For example, file name is bold.html. Bold.html. Save the file. Save the file by default goes to my documents. My documents are, you choose the folder C drive or D drive or particular drives. The save the file means bold.html. The file can be saved. Where you can write the command? Just you can open Notepad. Then you can type the file HTML as it is. You can add new brackets HTML in between less than and greater than symbol. Next and head. If you can write head is a capital, small letters are both are better because of it's not proper about the either using of small or capital because of the HTML is not a case sensitive language. That's why HTML is capital here, small letters, and title just as you wish you can title because of this are using this bold tag. That's why example program on bold tag title close. Next, head close. Head close means the backside character. Just head. Body having a bold. Welcome to HTML and same as this /B corresponding in between less than symbol and greater than symbol. Next, same similarly body close, closing body and HTML. File can be just typing of completed. Then save the file as you wish you can file name not HTML. file name.html. By default goes to the my documents. Otherwise you can choose the location, C drive, D drive or anything. Then file can be saved in particular file name is called bold.html. Then it can open. Again, so open the any one of the browsers. It's like Chrome or Internet Explorer. Just Internet Explorer will be opened. Then just you can write file, choose a file and open option is there, browse. Otherwise directly use the http://filename.html. Filename.html means bold.html. Bold.html just click the center. The output will display welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML in bold letters. Welcome to HTML bold letters. Here means the definition of the means every text written in the program can be displayed in the bold letters. Here means welcome to HTML. Otherwise, for example, welcome to HTML. For example, if you want to display in particular HTML can be displayed in bold letters. Just you can write here B and B close. Welcome is normal printing. HTML is a thick printing. Particular word B and B close is not mentioned welcome. Because of or a particular word can be. Here mentioned HTML can be displayed in big letters, thick letters or bold letters. Just B and B close in between HTML. Welcome is an asterisk, then B HTML is bold letters. That's called particular word. Here B. Okay, just can notepad open. Save the file. Where you can open any one Chrome or Internet Explorer. Then give the http:// and my documents / filename.bold.html. Otherwise choose the location, browse, file, open. Next choose the file where you can save my documents. Particular file will be there. Then click. Just you can press enter. Output will display. What is the output means? Just if you can add content. Welcome to HTML. Hi. Otherwise hi, good morning. If you can write here anything, if your computer definition or HTML definition, hypertext markup language is mainly used for creating of the web pages, and another information can be displayed on the web browsers. That is the content will be displayed in bold B and B close. Okay, this is a one tag is called B tag, bold tag. Next one more tag is I. Italic tag. What do you mean by I? Italic tag. Italic tag means this tag is mainly used for displaying the text in italic form. Slightly curse the lines. Italic form. That is, the text will be displayed slightly curved from. Slightly curved, straight lines. It's not straight. Slightly position will be changed. Italic forms. And should be closed with I close. Mainly, okay, I means italic tag. This tag is mainly used for displaying the text will be italic form. Italic form means cross line forms. Cross line form. Clear enough? You have remember this is italics. The text will be slightly changing. That is not italic. This tag is useful to display the text in italic form and should be closed with italic tag /. Every text written in the program can be italic letters or particular word can be displayed as a italic word, italic words. Okay, that is known as this is called italic. This tag is useful for displaying the text in italic font and it should be closed with backslash I. Every text written in the program can be italic letters or a particular word can be displayed as a italic words. Can be displayed italic form. Italic form letters or italic letters or a particular word can be displayed as a italic words. So this is called italic. Slightly changing italic means. For example, this is a B S R D C chaining. SRGC and this is a SRDC, chaining of this italic form. It writes welcome italic form. This is a normal form. Okay. Italic tag means italic tag. This tag is useful for displaying the text in a slightly changing of the lines. It's like italic form and should be closed with corresponding I. And every text written in the program can be displayed italic form or letters. A particular word can be displayed as italic words. Example: HTML head title. Example program on italic tag. Next, title close, title begin, and example program on italic tag, title close. Next, get close. Next, body. Instead of using B, just you can write here I. Backslash character I close. Body close. I means welcome to HTML. Welcome to HTML is the content will be displaying on the slightly cursing of the changing of lines means italic forms. Welcome to HTML slightly change. Because of we are using the tag, one more text, tags with text means italic form. Welcome to HTML. Body close, HTML close. The same if you can write this program also notepad. Just you can notepad open, just you can typing of the contents HTML, head to title, head to bar, italic as you wish. If you can write content in between italic begin and italic close. Here I am writing of the welcome to HTML. Hi, good morning. Anything of our HTML definition and body close HTML close. Then you can open the file. Okay, just as same similarly go to the save the file as if wish to. The file name is italic dot file name italic dot HTML, or as if wish your own name file name dot the extension is HTML. Then you open the file means just choosing browser, and browser is a URL is there, uniform resource locator is there, http:// for example you can save the file by default doing a my documents / file name dot means italic, or as you wish your given name dot HTML. Just you can press enter, the output will display. Hi, good morning will be displayed in the italic form. This is an example and clear all of you. Next, you can write one more tag is called U tag. U tag means underline tag. Tag means in between, if you can write left angle and right angle, that's known as tag. Any word or any letter. Here means U. U means underline tag. What do you mean by just a particular word or content, particular word or text or entire text will be displayed in the underline. For example, if you are giving some definitions or anything, okay, for specific stressing, you are giving underline. The importance of that purpose of using. For example, hypertext markup language mainly used for creating is an underline. That purpose, that base they are using U, underline. Underline means underlining of the word. That purpose of using this tag. This tag is mainly used for displaying the text by underlining, and the tag should be closed at the end /U. Clear of you? U means underline. This tag is useful to display the text in underlining, and the tag should be closed with at the end /U. Clear of you? For example, if you had mentioned in particular definitions for the stressing of the word, you have mentioned underline. That's the purpose of using U. U means underline means underlining of the text. Underlining of the text. This tag is useful for displaying the text by displaying the text by underlining. And the tag should be closed at the end. You close tag, underline tag. Next, same. Underline means underlining of the text. Underlining of the text or word or particular paragraph. Where in between, if you can write U and /U, that means the total will be displayed underlining. Example of this program, same as this one program, just changing of the content. Instead of using I, just you can replace of the U. Same structures. HTML, hypertext markup language, head, title, example program on underline tag. Sorry, tag goes. Head goes. Why? You. HTML is mainly used for creating web pages, videos, polygons, textuals. Here means output. What should be output? HTML is mainly used for creating web pages. Output is how to output. Just here is HTML is mainly used for creating web pages. Underline output. HTML, head, title, head rows, body. Body is under with one more tag is called U. U means underline. Just if you can write content. Content means HTML as if you can write anything. HTML is mainly used for then U close, underline close, body close, HTML close. Then it's the same similarly. If you can, this program can be written in Notepad. Then after completion of this Notepad, just save the file as you wish. You will give the file name underline or anything, okay, underline.html. Then close it again. It's open the web browser as you wish. If you can, web browsers are just by default going on is Mozilla Firefox or by default going on the Internet Explorer. Otherwise, they have specific mentioned Chrome or Mozilla. Just you can open. Just a URL will be there. Just you can type it http:// where you can save the file in particular path, either Windows or either My Documents or particular C drive or D drive. Choose the location and path, particular file name. Just you can enter. Otherwise, browse. Then you can enter. The output will be displayed. What will display? You are using HTML is mainly used for creating web page. You are using in between. If you can write U and U, U and U. Otherwise, U will be spelled mainly creating a web page. Just here, HTML is used for creating web pages. Only creating web page will be displayed the output. Okay, these are the main tags. Okay, you already bold, italic, underline. So many tags available. For example, tomorrow we will discuss continuation of the working with the tags. Tags working with text. For example, I already told B. B is the replacement of the one more tag is called strong tag. B or strong both are same working. B means bold. Strong is also bold letters. The advanced of the HTML can be replaced with some tags instead of B and strong. Both it can working with same. If you have mentioned strng, welcome to Word, welcome to HTML, strng. What do you mean? Welcome to HTML will be displayed on the thick letters, bold letters. B and strong both are the same. Tomorrow will be continuation of this content. For heading tags and there, superscript tags, italic tags. These are also called tag. HTML is also called head. What is the importance of it? Already structure of HTML descriptions. What is the importance of title? Title will be displaying on the. It's showing on the content. Exam program on the underline tab will be showing on the web browser task status title bar. Web browser title bar will be displaying on the information. Exam program on underlines. The purpose of using title. Heading up as an issue. These are the tags working with text. Tags working with text heading. This is a title. This is a content. This is a content. Clear of you? Just you can implementations, typing as well as opening of the output you are using any one of the browsers. Tomorrow will continuation of the class and tags, heading tags are there and one more is there. It's like background colors, big, small, marquee, paragraphs, multi-quotes, blinks. So many available. Main tags will be discussing up the top. But if you better go to the, if you have any personal systems are there, is to better go to the practice. Otherwise, whenever the offline the classes, the lab session will be started here. The practicing of this type of HTML codes. Clear? This is the continuation of the tomorrow class will be explanation of the continuation tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.